We are happy to introduce Dr. Manya Thakur Roy. She is a gold medalist in ENT and she has also pursued specialization in head and neck surgery. She is a fellow in rhinoplasty and facial plastic surgery. When we talk about facial aesthetic surgery, can you give a little bit more input on what exactly is it about? Who should come to you and how is the progress on this particular service which you provide at Maya Aesthetics?
Facial aesthetic surgery basically comprises of the surgeries which makes you feel young. So basically these are the procedures, they don't require any kind of age. A person of 25 to 30 years can have a little laxity or hair loss. Everybody age differently according to their physiological age as well as their skin age. So we provide blepharoplasty, which is called as eyelid surgery. In common man terms, if you have seen, a lot of people, they suffer from lateral tosses or hooding of eyelids, especially when they grow around mid-40s and mid-30s or in later age also. There are many patients who have, sagging jowls, deeper nasolabial folds. Also, they have a lot of, neck laxity, like a turkey neck we say. So we do neck lift as well as lower jaw rejuvenation and jaw contouring surgeries as well. Now, it depends on patient to patient whether they want this to be corrected surgically or non-surgically. So we have both the kind of options depending on the age. Every patient has to be, individualized and according to their three parts of the face. We generally divide the face into three parts: upper, middle, and lower third. And depending on what part requires which kind of rejuvenation, we plan it and tailor-made it according to individual patient.